Good afternoon, YouTube. We got another little project. Y'all seen my OBS Ford straight pipe 7.3 liter. Well, we got us a gasser. So we're going to take a little look at it, get a little glimpse of it. It's going to be a little bit of a project. See if we can get it going, see if we can get it on the road and get it all figured out. Let's fire it up, see what this old big block sounds like. F350, 4-wheel drive, 460 fuel injected V8. Not half bad. We got to get her cleaned up, serviced, tuned up, a few little things fixed. Trucks are a little hard to find with a 4-wheel drive, 1-ton, and a 5-speed. I lucked up and found this one. Just thought I'd share it with you. I'll give you some updates on how it goes and what we do to it. So till next time, see ya. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.